up. I ain't gonna slow down. I ain't gonna back up. Jesus is the introduction. Yes, sir. Oh, Lord. Somebody in this room, you've been under state of depression for the last few days. The enemy wants you out of the picture, but you need to tell the enemy, I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, Lord. Woman, wherever you are in this sanctuary, I pray against that spirit of depression. Yes, sir. Pray against it now. In the name of Jesus, be delivered and be set free. Oh, Lord. Yeah, Lord. Somebody in here, you're down in the dumps because you ain't got no money. But I dare you, stop praising God like you ain't got good sense. He'll supply. I wish I had a witness. He'll supply all of your needs according to his riches and glory. Oh, Lord, whoever you are that I'm talking to,